Welcome to the lecture series of Basic Electrical Engineering. The subject code is ECE 101. The topic of today's video is parallel RC response of AC circuits. As in the previous video, we discussed about the parallel RL circuits. Now in this video, we will discuss parallel RC circuit. The figure shows the parallel diagram of RC network in which we are having V is the applied voltage and I is the total current, IR is the current flowing in this resistance and IC is the current flowing in the capacitor C. So these terms are written here. V is the applied voltage to the RC circuit, VR is the current in the resistance, and we know that IR is equals to V upon R, and IC is the current in the capacitor, and I is the total current of the circuit. IR is equals to V upon R, the units are amperes, and IC is equals to JV upon XC. XC is 1 upon omega C, or it can be written as 1 upon 2 pi FC. And as in the previous lecture I have told you that we are putting J term in the denominator or in the denominator when we are having the inductance. In that case we are having the J in the denominator, and in the case of reactive capacitance, in that case we are having the J in the denominator. So here it is mentioned J in the denominator indicates that current is leading voltage by 90 degree. So here the current is leading by 90 degree, and now next phasor diagram. Phasor diagram, as figure shows the phasor diagram. As we know, the voltage in the parallel circuits, we consider the voltage as a reference. This thing I have told you in the earlier video lecture. Because voltage is same in the parallel circuits, and the current across the resistance is in phase with the voltage, and the current in the capacitor leads by 90 degree. So using the rectangular form we join these two, and this is our resultant current I, and this is angle 90 and this is angle phi. So this is clearly shown in the figure. IR is the current in the resistance, IC current in the capacitor. IR and V are in phase with each other, and IC current leads by 90 degree as shown here. So this is a phasor diagram. Now from this phasor diagram we find the various terms. First one is admittance. I is equals to total I is equals to IR up plus IC. We put the value of IR V upon R plus J V upon XC, and V comes out and we put it I upon V, which is admittance, and 1 upon I is conductance, and 1 upon XC is the suspectance. These terms I have written here. I upon V is the admittance, 1 upon R is the conductance, 1 upon XC is the suspectance, and it is given by BC. In the case of inductance it is written as BL. So then we find out Y is equals to this, Y is equals to G plus J BC, or modulus of Y is equals to under root G square plus BC square. Then we find out power factor. cos phi is equals to IR upon I. IR we know that V by R, or and total current is V into Y. So V cut out, and 1 upon R is equals to G and upon Y. So cos phi is equals to G upon Y. Then sin phi is equals to under root 1 minus cos square phi. We put the value of cos here, cos phi, it is G square plus upon Y square, and we do the simplification, we solve this equation, and finally we will get this sin phi is equals to BC by Y. So this is the simple calculation which we did. Then the next term is current. Y is equals to I upon V, or I is equals to V into Y, and we know the value of Y. Y is the admittance, it is under root G square plus BC square. Then active power is denoted by P, and it is given by VI cos phi. We put the value of I is VI, it is written here, this is I. Then cos phi is G by Y, so we put this Y cut down, and we will left with P is equals to V square G. The units are watts. Then the next term is apparent power, and it is S is equals to VI, and VI we put the value of I, it is VY, and so it becomes V square Y, and units are volts ampere. Then reactive power is Q is equals to VI sin phi. We put the value of I and sin phi, and we will get Q is equals to V square BC. So this is about the parallel RC response of AC circuit, in which we discussed the diagram, the phasor diagram, admittance, then power factor, then current, then active power, reactive power, and apparent. With this, this topic is complete from my side. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much.